Kevin? What happened? What do you mean?
They were breaking into my mom and dad's house and they started up the chainsaw. It got ugly. And I woke up. I don't know what this dream was all about.
Did it cut off your arms and legs and shit?
No, it wasn't that.
What did it cut off? Did it cut off your penis?
No. But it was a bad dream. Did you hear me last night? I
heard that chainsaw.
Quick.
I heard the chainsaw.
Yeah, I woke up real quick. I think we have to fire it out.
Pretty good sound of his chainsaw. The sound of his chainsaw.
You know what I should do?
What?
Go get